Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you see me for the first time, my name is Kavya and it would mean a lot to me if you subscribed. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what all I got for my birthday. My birthday was just a few days ago. I thought it would be lovely if I shared my gifts with you all. So it could give you some ideas on what to gift to your friends and your family. So let's get started. So before actually starting, I just wanted to give out a disclaimer that I'm really grateful for everything that I've got, and it brings me immense pleasure that I'm able to get all these gifts, and I thank to all my family and friends who've gifted me all of this. So let's get started now. So my first and my main present is a phone, and this is the iPhone 12. This is the blue colored 128 GB. I needed a phone so badly. I was using my iPhone 7 and finally I updated to iPhone 12, which is the recent launch from Apple. So I was planning to buy iPhone 11 and I had almost purchased it from my own money. But then my family said that they'll gift me an iPhone 12. So I got this as a gift and I was so surprised and it was so unexpected. So I'm really grateful for this phone and I'm currently using it to film my videos because my camera is not with me at the moment, and that's completely another story. So this was my first gift and I'm really thankful for this. My brother and my cousin was really kind enough to decorate my house for my birthday, and my mom baked me two really delicious cakes. I'll insert the pictures for your reference. So I've put my mom's Instagram page in the description. Do check it out and follow it. She makes amazing recipes as well. So you guys should definitely follow her page out. So now I'll just show you a few things that I got for myself. So first of all, I got a few clothes and I really needed some lowers. So first is this parallels that I got, and these are very nice. These are quite popular these days. I wore this on my birthday, so I'll insert a picture for your reference, but they're so gorgeous. They look good with almost everything. And I got another lowers, and this is like a brown colored jegging pants. This is from Vero Moda. Even that one is from Vero Moda. So I just got these two clothing items for myself. Other thing that I got are these very pretty heels. I've worn them once, so that's why they look a bit dirty. But I really wanted heels like these from so long. They're not too high heeled as well. These are like 2.5 inches and these are block heels, so they are quite comfortable to wear. And the design, the studded element is so beautiful. Next up, I got a very beautiful bag. This is from the brand Lino Peros. This is like a shoulder bag and ये बहुत pretty है. Myntra पे available है ये, and it is just like a plain brown colored, dark brown chocolatey colored bag. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेरे को necessity थी एक shoulder bag की, so I got this. So next up, I got some necessary items. So the first is this Nova Sensitive Touch Trimmer. This is like a bikini trimmer. It can be used for your bikini area, for your eyebrows, upper lips, and for your face. And I'll just show you how this is. So it comes with a manual that can help you or guide you. Then this is the trimmer. This is how it looks like. It's just like the wheat trimmer, but then this is very affordable. It comes with a lot of heads and it comes with the cell which I've already placed inside it. So you get like two attachments. This is the bigger one and then this is for the face. इसका प्राइस तो सिर्फ 750 का है, but the wheat one will cost you for about 2000 rupees. तो ये काफ़ी affordable है. If you guys need like a demo on this or my review on this, I'll make one. Just comment down below. Now the most interesting part, which is makeup, and I got a lot of that. So the first thing that I got is this Makeup Revolutions highlighter. I really needed a highlighter badly, and I'm so glad that I got this. It is a very beautiful champagne shade and this is so amazing. इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है, and this was for something around 1000. Then I got like two products from Cuffs and Lashes. I really wanted to try out that page. So this is the Minimalist palette from SFR. I've actually got one more of this, but I've given that to my mom. So this is how it looks like. I really like the packaging. The packaging is just like the Sephora's eyeshadow miniatures, and these are the shades. These are all like purple tones, and I'm so excited to try it out. and it's quite pigmented as well. So I'm really happy with this one. Then I got like a orange concealer from Mars because I really needed one orange concealer, and I really like the quality. This is quite affordable as well. It's used to correct your dark skin. तो ये जो अगर आपकी स्किन पे डार्क पिगमेंटेशन है तो आप उस पर यूज़ कर सकते हो, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट यू कैन यूज़ योर कंसीलर, सो इट रियली हाइड्स योर डार्क स्किन. Then I got this minimalist alpha butin 2% plus 1% HA 1%. I have seen so many reviews on this product and I really wanted to try it out because मेरी skin में काफ़ी darkness है और pigmentation है. Like over here I have like a bit of pigmentation का problem. I'm currently using it and अभी तो मैं अपना review नहीं दे सकती इस product के ऊपर, but once I am done with this I will definitely post a review. Next up I got two nail paints from Nykaa. So the first one is this really pretty pink, baby pink color, and this one is in the shade Delicate Daisy 288. The next one is this Nykaa matte nail lacquer, and this is very vanilla 156. This is very pretty and I'm going to apply this once I'm done making the video. Next up I got this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I really wanted to get a new concealer, so I got this and I'm really glad. This is in the shade medium. And then I got the Maybelline the Hyper Curl Mascara. So I really wanted a mascara as well and I got it. Then I got the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner. So these are like the necessities that I really needed, so I got all of that. Okay, so next up I got the Insta Mini 11 camera and I was so happy when I got this. And it is so beautiful. This is like my favorite color. It's the lilac color. I really like it. It's really gorgeous and I've already like started using this. I used it on my birthday and I clipped so many cute Polaroids from this. So I also got the film for the camera. I've already used one of that and I have one more remaining. Can't wait to use it again. It was such a fun experience using this camera. Next up I got stuff from Bath and Body Works and my face literally lights up whenever I see this packaging. I love Bath and Body Works to death. So I got this really pretty gift set. This one is in the Warm Vanilla Sugar. I have never tried out this range and I am really glad that I got it on my birthday. It comes with three things. So this is like a body wash. This is like a miniature size, so it's really good for traveling. Then I got like a body lotion and this is like a mist. So this has like a very vanilla and like a very sweet fragrance. Next up I got this gift set from Beverly Hills Polo Club and it comes with these three things. So one is like a deodorant, one is a perfume, and then there is a body spray. So this is again like a bath and body kind of set. So the next thing that I got is the Alexa Echo Dot. This is the newest one that has come on Amazon and you can get this on Amazon, I believe. This is very good because I never had like a Bluetooth speaker and I really wanted one, so I got this and it can be used for more things other than just listening music. इससे आप अलार्म की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो और बहुत सारे यूजेस हैं which I am not too much aware of. So the last gift that I got is from my cousin. So her mom owns a very beautiful studio where they make designer clothes. So she got me like one of her mom's collection and I was so excited when I saw it because her mom makes amazing pieces. This is like a very beautiful this is like a jacket and it has full sleeves. The cloth is very pretty and then it has like a tassel in the front with these very beautiful pearls. I'm really excited to wear it. I have to get it altered for my size and then I can definitely wear this with some plazos and it will look very nice. She even got me a very beautiful scarf and I just like love this so much. It's called elephant printed on it. Then she even gifted me a pair of earrings that would go with my blue color jacket, and these are like the shell earrings which are so gorgeous. I really wanted these earrings and I got them. So this was everything that I got for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.